Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 18th April 2022. So before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, then always take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So now, for all the people who are willing to open new trading and demat accounts, I advise you to open the accounts with Upstock, a leading and a trustworthy broker. So now let me come to my presentation. So first, I'll concentrate on the option chain. So what you can observe from the option chain, market has already opened lower. So what should be your view for the trading day 18th April? So now you can see, let me concentrate on the open interest positions. So on the call side, you can see very high level of open interest at very high level of open interest uh, at 17,600, that is 71,430. Then there is also a very high level buildup of call at 75,811, so that is 17,500. Next you can see call build up at 17,200. So now the market is around 17,200. 17,200 will be a resistance. Then there is 17,400 will be the next level of resistance. Then followed by 17,500 and 17,600. So 17,200 will be a very high resistance. So now on the put side, there is a very high put build up, 69,707 open interest positions at 17,200. So 17,200 will be a support 2. So maximum pain is there at 17,200, and then on the lower side, next level of support is at 17,000. So 17,000, there is a buildup of 63,400 on the put side. So that will be a major support. So these are the major supports, and on the higher side, there hardly any open interest on the put side. Okay, so this is the open interest positions from the option chain. So what is it suggesting? It is suggesting that 17,200 will be the maximum pain. So if it breaks, then it can travel as low as 17,000, and 17,000 is going to act as a major support. On the higher side, resistance at 17,200, 17,400 as well as at 17,500. So now let me come to the change in open interest. Okay, so now this is what change in open interest. You can see highest build up, maximum pain. So maximum pain is at two green and red towers, so that is all at 17,200. So you can also see the highest change in open interest has taken place 17,300. People have added call positions. People have already added call positions at 17,400, 17,500. So to take out 17,300, 17,400, 17,500 will be a hurdle. So therefore, the chances of market going down is higher. The probability of market falling is higher. Next, let me come to the open interest. So you can see, yeah. So call side highest writing is there at 17,200, 17,200, 17,300, 17,400, 17,500 maximum writing is there. So on the put side, I already explained from the option chain 17,200. So 17,200 is a make or break level. If it breaks, the next level is 17,000. If the market takes out 17,300, the next level will be 17,400, and the call side there is maximum resistance. Now let me come to the next FII statistics. Let me focus on the FII statistics. Yes, so FII statistics are here. FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2000 odd crores, and DIIs were buyers. So there is DII buying, there is net FII selling. Yeah, because there is a buzz of LIC IPO coming, so DIIs are holding on to the markets. So now let me focus on the charts, all important charts for the day. So first let me come to the Nifty chart. So what is Nifty suggesting? So now Nifty is trading at around 17,200 levels. Okay, so Nifty is trading 17,200. It is here. So let me push it up. Yes. So you can see Nifty is trading with a lot big gap down. So this is the big gap down we saw. Yeah, now Nifty is at very all important 17,226 somewhere here. So how you should trade? Yeah, market has broken down. 17,200 is going to be a major support. If it breaks, the next level would be 17,118. So that is all important level on the pivot. Yeah, you can buy Nifty only if it is above 17,323. Otherwise, sell on rallies. So better sell on rallies. So today's is sell on rallies market. Yeah, and far away from the pivot. Pivot is at around 17,529. I need not to tell about the resistances. I already told 17,323 is going to be a major resistance. If it breaks that, then 17,395. Okay, so chances of market breaking 17,400 is very dim. Okay, now let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. Yeah, let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. So you see Bank Nifty also big gap down. Yeah, big gap down. So 36,860 is the current level. Yeah, so there is a chance that market can touch 36,480. That is going to be the next support. Yeah, that is the last support. If it breaks, there can be a very heavy fall on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is very far away from the pivot, 37,612. You can go long on Bank Nifty only if it breaks 37,243. So 37,243 you can go long. Otherwise, but the all important trade today is, as long as market is not going above 37,243, you can sell on all rallies for a target of 36,480. 36,480, another 400 points you can get. So that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the day. So thank you for watching this episode. Those who want to open trading and demat accounts, uh, open with Upstock, a leading stockbroker and a very trustworthy broker with the free of cost accounts. The link and the description for opening the account is provided in my description. So thank you for watching this episode. Thank you. Have a nice trading day.